Hello, I'm Mrs. Vaishali Samant. I invite you all to Saraswati tutorials. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe those videos. Today is the last lecture for 11th standard. Afterwards, derivative I will continue for 12th standard. So I will solve some 11th standard old question papers here. Find dy by dx. Y is a raised to x sec x upon x cube plus 2x. dy by dx is equals to v into u dash minus u into v dash upon v square. V is this, derivative of this minus this as it is into derivative of this divided by denominator whole square. V into derivative of this, it is a product function, remember. A raised to x derivative is a raised to x log a into this as it is, plus this as it is into derivative of this a raised to x sec x tan x. Remember, it is a product function. Minus this term as it is, and derivative of x cube is 3x square plus 2 divided by denominator whole square. Don't simplify, keep it as it is. Now this problem, especially log of x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, find dy by dx. So don't find out as it is, it will be 1 upon this, but when you will take it is a product of 4 functions. Don't simplify also, it will be time consuming. So I will use the theorem on logarithm. Log of m into n is log m plus log n. So like that I will write log of each term separately, of course to the base e. And dy by dx will be derivative of this plus derivative of this plus derivative of this plus derivative of this. Derivative of this will be 1 upon x plus 1 into derivative of this. Derivative of the x is 1, derivative of 1 is 0. If here it is 2x is there, it would have been 2 here. Derivative of log of x plus 2 is 1 upon x plus 2. Derivative of log of x plus 3 is 1 upon x plus 3. This is, and derivative of the bracket is 1. That's why this is your answer. Don't simplify. Now these all are taken from the old question papers. 11th standard. Y is equals to sine cube 4x. So y is equals to sine 4x whole cube. So you know derivative of fx raised to n, it will be n fx raised to n minus 1 into derivative of the bracket. So this as it is, this sine 4x square will become sine square 4x, 3 is there. Derivative of sine of 4x is cos of 4x into derivative of 4x. Because I did formula for sine of fx, same thing. Cos of fx into f dash x. Next time you write derivative of 4x as 4 and this into this, that will be the answer. Don't simplify further. Now this problem, don't take it raised to half and solve it, it will be complicated. We'll use the formula from trigonometry. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sine square theta. So 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sine square x, and this is 2 cos square x. Square root is there, 2 cancels, and square root of tan square x will become tan x, and derivative will be sec square x. Otherwise, if you do it by raised to half, again inside function it will be u by v and it will become complicated. Differentiate with respect to x. X square derivative is 2x, sin x derivative is cos x, and this 1 upon x square is x raised to minus 2. Its derivative is minus 2 x raised to minus 3. Now this you don't solve by raised to 2, fx raised to n formula, it will be complicated. You know how to make square. Square of this plus 2 into this plus square of this. This into this cancels and you will get 2. So x plus 2 plus x raised to minus 1. This will be the easy method. Now dy by dx will be derivative of x is 1, derivative of 2 is 0, x raised to minus 1, derivative is minus 1, x raised to minus 1 means minus 2. So it will be 1 minus 1 upon x square. This is very simple problem. Dy by dx is equal to this into derivative of this plus this into derivative of this. This into derivative of this is minus sin x, and this into derivative of x is 2x. Next problem. Y is equal to x square minus cos x divided by sin x minus e raised to x. So it will be v into u dash. Directly I have written. Better you write formula here. Derivative of this is 2x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. It will become plus sin x. V into u dash minus u into v dash. Its derivative will become cos x minus e raised to x, derivative is e raised to x divided by denominator whole square. Don't simplify further, nothing will cancel. So keep it as it is. Next problem is log x plus root x into tan x minus 3 raised to x. Log x plus root x into derivative of this plus derivative of this into this term as it is. This is as it is. Derivative of tan x is sec square x minus 3 raised to x derivative is 3 raised to x log 3. Then plus derivative of log x is 1 upon x, derivative of root x, you know, 1 upon 2 root x, and this term as it is. Don't simplify, this will be your answer. This already I have solved. If you want to write it by sin upon cos and take LCM and simplify, or like this also you can solve, you will get this answer. This problem, this into this divided by this. V into u dash. See, u dash when you will take, remember this is a product function. This is a product of two terms. Minus u into v dash divided by v square. This as it is. Now this is a product function. So this into derivative of this plus this into derivative of this. Derivative of this is sec x tan x, cot x derivative is minus cosec square x. Minus this into derivative of this is 1 divided by denominator whole square. Don't simplify, this will be your answer. I will stop here now, and this completes 11th standard syllabus, and next time when I will continue derivative, it will be only for 12th standard, whatever I will do for 12th standard. That is of course lengthy chapter, we will have to solve many problems in that. Okay, I will stop here.